Hello friends, welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know it is, JJ with you once again. Today we're just going to jump right into it. I got the Infinity series from DeepCool, the Ls720 SC. It just came in off of the truck, so we're going to jump and see what's going on right here really quick, just so you know, we can get this video rolling. All right, let me move everything over. Okay, moving everything over now. There's a couple things I want to point out that, you know, right here, there's some damage on the box. Let's hope everything is okay. It looks like they kicked the hell out of the box. So let's pray to God that everything inside is fine and intact. So we're going to have to cut this open very carefully, just so that way in case I got to send it back. It would really suck if I had to do that, but you know how this goes. Amazon and, you know, UPS ain't getting no better when it comes to, you know, sending packages to where, you know, they're supposed to go. Oh, just an insight, I have one more piece left that's still, I'm waiting for it to arrive. Just one more piece. In order to do, well, I could do this build without that piece, and it's the M.2 SSD. What I can do is I can take and install everything and check it through the BIOS to make sure everything's working correctly. And then after that, I can take and when it comes in, get over there. When it comes in, I can do another video on finalizing that little piece, you know, and do some benchmarking and stuff like that. And then I can pass somebody off their Christmas present for this year, for 2023. Let's pray to God. Let's pray to God that nothing in here is damaged. You know, that would, like I told you, that would suck. This is a big one. Oh, mother of God. Oh, mother of God. Oops, sorry about the microphone. Get this box out of the way. Get this out of the way. You got your hardware. Which hopefully all the hardware is there. It looks like it. Got your book and your hardware in here. Let's see. Got your 3 fans. 3 DeepCool fans. DeepCool fans. There's some fat old fans too. 0.25 amps. Not bad, not bad. The ones in the case are 0.11s. So, alright, let's pull this up. And let's get this chunky Mobo out of here. Alright. Let's pull this right here. Now we're down to the basics. Let's make sure everything looks pretty good. Yeah. More fingerprints like usual. Look. More fingerprints on it like usual. I know you all can't really see it, but at least they left the peely on it. Okay. Now let's look at the radiator. Make sure the radiator's not damaged. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, that's a biggie. That is a big one. Yeah. It looks like it'll be okay. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's damaged. So we won't know until we run that test. But as I can see, all the wires are intact and all looks good. All those look good. Tell me what y'all think. This is a 360. This is the 360 from DeepCool. Look how thin it is. Oh my God. Look how thin it is. That thing is really thin. Really thin. See, the way it goes up, it'll go up at the top like this. Either to go this way or to go this way. I think inside of the case, I want it to go this way. And then goes up like this for the processor. I think it'll look very good doing it like this. Like this. I know you can't see that. Let me do it like this. I think it'll look pretty good doing it this way. That way it stays out of the back fans. And I got no problem with the back fans. So I think that'll look pretty good. It will look awesome for this build. We go ahead and put the covers back on it. This way we can keep it nice until we do the build and still keep it nice. We'll go ahead and slide the baggie on. There we go. Now, this is supposed to be anti-leak and all that, nonsense. But we'll see in time. We'll see how well it works. Let's look at the back of the box. Okay, it's supposed to have instructionals in here. After 3 years of R&D, DeepCool launched the new standard of liquid cooling, anti-leak tech. The technology helps the system achieve an automated pressure balance, which will significantly improve the operation and safety of AIO liquid cooling systems. Inside the radiator is an elastic pressure relief bag will be added. When the internal pressure exceeds atmospheric pressures, the bag will be squeezed, thereby increasing the system's internal volume. As a result, increasing pressure is released and the risk of leakage is avoided. I guess they got an internal bag. But it looks like it's a goodie. It does. Let's see. It'll work with Aurora Sync. So I can install Aurora Sync onto this to get the fans to work correctly. Or not work correctly, but the ARGB work correctly. And it looks like it's a China product. Jeez. Works with the Razer Chroma, the Aurora Sync, the Gigabyte RGB, the MSI Mystic Light, and ASRock, the Polychrome Sync. Not too bad. It works with 5 different motherboards. So if you decide in the near future, let me get this camera all set back the way it used to be. In the near future, if you decide to go to a different motherboard, you definitely have that option with your drink and snacks, by the way. So you definitely have that option if you want to go to a different motherboard. So I don't think it's too bad. I don't think it's bad at all. I think it's real good, truthfully. So the only last piece I got left, other than doing the RAM, which I just, you know what, I'm not going to make a video on the RAM. That's going to be kind of stupid for me to make a video on the RAM, as we're only at 11 minutes right here at this point. Okay, let's look at the RAM. We'll do 2-in-1. DDR4 3200, CL16, XMP 2.0 ready, and I know it'll work with AMD because I get G-Skill Ripjaws that I've already plugged into the motherboard, testing the motherboard. So I know the motherboard works. That's the good thing. I don't even have to test it to put it together. I know the motherboard works. I've already tested it, and I know it works. So it looks like we got pretty much all our pieces. Other than the M.2 drive, that M.2 SSD, that's all I'm waiting on. But I can still do the build, and hopefully by in the next couple of days that the M.2 shows up. So my point, and this is going to be my final thought to y'all, and we'll go from here. My final thought is I think the radiator is the DeepCool radiator system, the AIO system they got here, the 720. I think it's an awesome one. I think it'll be a really good addition to the PC I'm building, and also too, if it lasts as long as it says it lasts, then, you know, because we get a 4-year warranty on it, so hopefully it'll last within 4 years. And if it doesn't, then I'll let y'all know, and then I'll have to get a hold of them and go through the RMA process. But we will keep an eye on temperatures and everything else, because it's not an air cooler, so you got to keep an eye on your temperatures and everything there. But I don't think there's going to be much of a problem for the next couple years. I am going to stress test it and everything else before the new owner, my friend, gets this as a Christmas present. So I got almost all the pieces, and I got one last piece. I got one last piece that I need to get, and then it will be off to the races. We'll be able to check it out, and, you know, I really like how they had this all packed too. As much as the box got kicked around by shipping, you know, I really liked how they had this packed. And that packed nice and, see, just nice and kosher, put it all together, and damn, done. Matter of a couple seconds. You know, didn't take but a couple seconds to do it. So, I don't know. Tell me, y'all, what you think I mean, is this a AIO you would get? Let me know in the comment below if this is the kind of AIO you would get. You know, but I got the 520. Okay, my friend's got the 720. So that's what I think is going to be awesome edge. Awesome edge. So I still haven't installed the 520 into my system yet. That's for a whole different video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys that. I might have to do it off of my cell phone. Just to let you know. I might have to do that one off of my cell phone in order to show you how they screwed the box up. Ugh. Shipping is a pain in the hoo-hoo, man. Shipping is a pain in the hoo-hoo. So, if I gotta go that route, I'll let y'all know. Okay. Oh. There we go. All back in the box, ready to go. So, that's the unboxing of the Infinity Series, Ls720 SC. I got two Infinity Series, like I told you. I got the 520 and I got the 720 here. 720 is going with my friend, so yeah, that's pretty much how that's going to go, you know. So, but this is the end of the video right here. And then the next video you guys are going to see will be graphics card nightmares. And then after that will be Saturday. This is this week. Now, I might not do a video on Thursday. If I don't, well, I don't know if I'm going to do one on Thursday, because I just got done telling you all about the Ripjaws things. So I don't know if it's worth making a video. I don't know if y'all let me know in the comment below. Let me know if you want me to do a video on the RAM. If you do, let me know. Let me know on Discord if you want to let me know on Discord as well, if you want me to do that as well. So, y'all know how this goes. Ain't nothing but a thing. But anyway, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if I've already done this twice, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do. Helping support the channel, watching videos from beginning to end, and telling your friends to come on down here to subscribe, and them watching the videos from beginning to end. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump out. Until the next time in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.